Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing liver. My other half is going to cook today, but I'll be helping him with the cooking process. Make sure all your surfaces are clean, your hands are washed before you do the liver. As you can see here, my liver, it's around 2 pounds. Now it's clean and it's ready to be seasoned. This is our seasoning. We have our spices and herbs to add to the liver. As you can see, I have yellow, green, and red bell peppers. Those are for color. Now we have our scotch bonnet, our green onions, garlic, and thyme with our grace browning and other dry seasoning. Okay, we're going to get those washed and add to the liver. As you can see, we had the dry seasoning first, then the browning add to it, looking good. Now we're going to chop all the green onion, garlic, and green pepper, the red pepper and the yellow pepper, and add the mixture. We're going to combine everything to the liver. My hands are already washed. I was just helping to add the onions to the liver. I'm not, as I say, I'm not a liver lover, but I'll be giving a helping hand. And I'm adding all the onions, the garlic, and the bell peppers to the mixture. And as we go along, you will see what it looks like. And we're still adding our stuff. So after you add all this together, you're going to give it a little rub. After rubbing, you're going to let it sit for an hour to 2 hours. Actually, the Scotch bonnet pepper and the black pepper are optional. You can use white pepper or no pepper at all. And as you can see, we rub everything in, and it's we're going to let it sit for an hour to 2 hours, as I mentioned, and then we start cooking in around 2 hours. So as you can see, the heat is on low because we don't want to um, cook it too fast and then it's not cooked properly. As you can see, it's cooking and simmering down, nicely. As you can see, we have the gravy. Look how beautiful that looks. I'm not a liver lover, but if you smell this, you will be wanting to eat. Okay, that's the finished product. So remember to subscribe.